Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and participants. It's my sincere pleasure to welcome you all to the Golden Aim Awards for Excellence and Leadership. My name is Pratik Kunwar and I will be your host for this prestigious webinar episode. Today, we gather to celebrate excellence and leadership across a wide array of segments and sectors. These occasions represent a unique opportunity for all of us, whether we are an industry veteran, budding entrepreneur, or aspiring professional, to enrich our knowledge and gain insight from one another. The Golden Aim Awards stands a beacon of prestige, serving to recognize and review exemplary achievements and leadership. These awards are established by DigiOne Plus, who have provided a vital platform to enroll the extraordinary contributions made by business professionals, coaches, and quality leaders and CSR professionals who have made a significant advancement to the growth and development of their respective industry. As we move forward with our today's program, we have an exciting lineup of awards. These awards recognize the outstanding professionals and symbolize not only individual achievement but also inspirations for all of us. So, without further delay, let us move to the much awaited award ceremony and celebrate the remarkable accomplishment of the honorees. Moving towards top 5 global leaders, and our first award winner for the most influential woman entrepreneur and life coach of the year, and the award goes to Dr. Theresa Pringle, Pringle's Training Services. Can we have few words from you, Doctor?
Yes, please, peace and blessings to all. I'd like to thank DigiOne Plus, Innovation Beyond Imagination, for sponsoring the Golden Aim Conference and Awards for Excellence in Leadership. And thank you to the supporters, Asia Gulf Corporate Council, FEMA, Shania Common AI Coach, and the Federation of Quality Education Council. It is a great privilege to be recognized as Most Influential Woman, Entrepreneur and Life Coach of the Year. Yet accepting this award for excellence comes with a great responsibility to continue excellence in service, to continue to train, guide, and influence, empowering communities to become a better version of themselves personally and in the business industry. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. Moving ahead with our next award winner for the category of Most Innovative Manufacturing and Quality Leader for the Manufacturing Operations, and the award goes to Mr. Sundar Sanam Pillai, Vice
Sudarshanan Pillai.
President. Apologies for the name mistake in the name pronunciation.
Okay.
Vice President, Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Can we have a few words from you, sir?
Sure. Good evening, all of you. I'm truly grateful and humbled to receive this award. Thank you, Dijon, and the respected jury for us the wonderful recognition. I would like to dedicate this award to my luminous team. Whatever I have achieved because of their hard work, trust, and support, this award belongs to all of us. I also thank my family, my mentors, my seniors who have always stood by me and encouraged me during every challenge. I strongly believe that success is not about being perfect. It is about learning every day, improving every day, and encouraged me and helping others grow with us. I accept this award with gratitude and also with greater responsibility to continue contributing to manufacturing excellence, quality, and innovation. Thank you all of your recognition, encouragement, and support. This recognition motive me lot for me and even do more better. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving ahead with our next award winner for the category of Innovative Leadership Award, ASIC Engineering, and the award goes to Mr. Anurag Gupta, Vice President Engineering, Qualcomm India, XTI, Freescale, WT leadership roles. Can we have few words from you, sir? Sir, we request you to please unmute the Zoom.
Yeah, folks. Hello, everyone. Good evening. You all can hear me?
Yes, please, sir.
Okay, yeah. Good evening, everyone. I'm really truly humbled and honored to receive this award, Leadership Award. And first of all, I want to express my deepest gratitude and thanks to DG1 Plus and Golden Aim organizations and their associates for this recognition and hosting this wonderful event as well. And then your commitment to fostering these growth, innovations, and excellence across the technology industries, broader ecosystem really inspire all of us to aim higher and achieve more. Coming to my own firm belief about the leadership, it's never about an individual or solo journey. So definitely then this recognition goes, 100% this recognition goes to my team, my incredible team, whom I really have a privilege to work with every day. Thanks to them for their hard work, their trust, and willingness to walk with me, and actually sometimes run with me and grow together on this journey. Their hard work, their commitment, and our shared vision. Such things make this achievements, such achievements possible, such awards possible. And I want to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to my mentors, my gurus, my managers, whose guidance and wisdom has always helped me to shape my journey, my career, and last but not the least, my family, whose support, unconditional support, continued support, and encouragement have been my greatest strength to do something good in my career, in my life. Just a last thing, this award is definitely a reminder that leadership is all about continuously learning things, innovating, striving to do better each day, every day. And most important, it's about empowering others who come across with you, others to grow, succeed, and achieve their full potential. So I remain committed to doing this in future, supporting and creating opportunities for others and making a meaningful impact wherever I can do. Thank you once again to DG1 Plus team and Golden Aim organization and everyone present here today for this great honor. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving ahead with our next award title for the Most Innovative CSR Leader Award. And the award goes to Mr. Arvind Shankar Giri, Head CSR, Trident Group. Can we have a few words from you, sir?
Thank you, moderator team. I just like to thank to the DG1 and the Golden Aim Conference Award leadership team, jury, all the panelists and the esteemed team members for granting the most innovative CSR leadership award to me, and I accept this particular award. And for I think the CSR nowadays is not just like corporate social responsibility. It's now turned up to the individual social responsibility, rather community owned responsibility, and then environmental social responsibility. So my journey has started in 2013 with the CSR activities. So generally, I say that the my experience in CSR is as old as the CSR law in India, because it has also come into force in 2014. Many changes and amendment has happened, and during these 13 years of journey, many mentors, many colleges, team members, and organizations, whether it's RPG Foundation, Glenmark, Alivus Life Sciences, or my present organization, Trident Group. They have heartfully supported me, guided me to create a larger impact in the society. And that's where I stand. And I do the activities for to create the more better and more impact on the society, which will create a sustainable future and in alignment with the community activities. I like to thank my all the mentors, supporters, promoters of the organization, guidance, my colleagues, my team members, my family, and my wife, who has always been there and supported me to being a good human being and create a larger impact on the society. Thank you, DG1 team, jury panel, and the moderators for giving me this award. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving ahead with our next award title for the most innovative training and development leader award, and the award goes to Prabhakar Jha, Senior Manager Training, Indicami Health Specialties Private Limited. Can we have a few words from you, sir?
Uh, First of all, thank you, and I am deeply honored and humbled to receive this award in the category of Most Innovative Training and Development Leader Award at this virtual platform of Golden Aim Conference and Award. Sincere thanks to all Esteemed Advisory Council, distinguished jury, and the entire Golden Aim team for this prestigious recognition, and being acknowledging me for the innovation in training and development is truly validating my driving meaningful learning in the terms of training and development. This award is a testament not only just to my personal journey, but to the extraordinary mentor and the team who challenge and inspire me to do good work every day. Thank you once again for this incredible honor. And this is just a beginning, and I will going to continue to innovate, empower, and save the future of learning with my knowledge and skill and ability. Once again, thank you, DG1 and Golden Aim, for arranging and recognizing the best contributor in different field. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. As we conclude the Golden Aim mini episode webinar, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the supporting partners. A special thanks goes to Ms. Sania Khanam, the CEO of DG1 Plus, whose unwavering support has been invaluable to the success of this webinar. I also want to acknowledge all the esteemed participants and award winner who took the time to join us today. For all the award winners, please note that you can expect to receive your trophies and certificate within next 3 to 4 working days. We will also ensure that the LinkedIn tagging for your achievement will be completed within next 48 hours. So you can proudly share the milestones with your professional network. I would like to encourage all delegate and participate to engage us on social media by liking, sharing, and subscribing on official Golden Aim YouTube channel. Finally, I request all the participants to turn on their cameras for memorable group photographs. Please. Thank you. Thank you once again for being a part of this webinar. Your presence has made a wonderful experience. I take a goodbye and look forward to seeing you all in the future events. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you and bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.